Today we are going to work on creating a professional resume in less than 5 minutes. So I've opened up ChatGPT and I have already typed in all the information I can think of that would be needed for a resume. I've got my name, my contact information, where I went to school and graduated and when, with what kind of degree, what my skills are, let's see, where I worked at currently, previously, the dates, what I did there, and some references. So I'm going to leave it at that for now and see what it comes up with. And it has given me about a 2-page resume, polished and professional. It has also made it so I can either copy and paste into a different Word document, or I can download it onto my computer and edit if I need to, or just go ahead and print if I think this is perfect, or I can actually go in here and edit exactly so I don't have to transfer it somewhere else to edit. So it's given the professional summary, which looks great, the core skills all broken down and in professional language, my professional experience, and my education and my references. Down here it's given me some pointers, and I'm actually going to go with this one. It says I can also turn this into a polished, modern, 1-page printable PDF resume. So I want it to do that. So I am just going to copy and paste this so I don't have to even waste time typing. Copy and paste. Okay. And it's given me one that I can just click on here, a professional layout. It's even added some color. I have downloaded this onto my computer because I love this. I could, at this point, I could move it into another Word program or Canva and add images if I wanted, or make some tweaks. I definitely want to make sure you check for misspellings, because ChatGPT can definitely make misspellings. So make sure you read everything carefully and do any edits or tweaks you want, and you have yourself a professional resume.